Hello friends, in this video we will learn how to make sentences. So let's start. Number 1. House. My house is very big. Number 2. School. I go to school every day. Number 3. Tree. Tree gives us oxygen. Number 4. Friend. Ram is my best friend. Number 5. Horse. Horse runs very fast. Number 6. Country. India is our country. Number 7. Book. This is my book. Number 9. Pen. I write with a pen. Number 10. Come. Ramesh will come tomorrow. Number 11. Go. I am going to market. Number 12. Car. I have a new car. Number 13. Say. He was saying the truth. Number 14. Soon. This movie is coming soon. Number 15. Cow. Cow is a pet animal. Number 16. Are. They are playing. Thank you for watching.